Detective, what are you about to find? You gotta press the button. What's the clue? That's a stolen. That's a stolen word.
I don't know.
The last piece is in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Let's get moving.
This is Brazil.
Yeah, that's Brazil.
Brazil.
What's the clue?
No, it hasn't.
And point it out with your magnifying.
Each year at Carnival, the samba dancers dance on elaborately decorated floats that represent their school.
If we help this person, they'll help us find the thief.
Find any orchid. Find any orchid.
The orchid. On the orchid. Don't put that in your mouth. You're a detective. Don't put your toy in the mouth. You want to press the hint? The hint button is right there.
Color.
Somewhere on this part of the map.
I'm a squirrel doing something to this, like.
Get to work, sir. Get to work and find the orchid. I'm recording video. Find the orchid, sir. We need to get paid. Find the orchid. No tobacco. I think I see it.
This looks weird.
Woo! You found it.
Aw, that person didn't know anything. But they know someone who does.
Find giraffe.
Detective, we need to find giraffe as soon as possible.
This one,
Get the hint.
no, I can't. No, imago. Giraffe.
I see her. I see the female giraffe.
Where?
Go to hint. Press the hint button.
The clue is somewhere on this part of the map.
Now find the giraffe.
But it's not this one.
Look everywhere. Even on the top, on the bottom, mostly on the top, maybe.
She said, no, imago.
Hurry up, I'm recording. I don't want to lose my video. No way bagu.
Or else if we don't listen to it, then the bad guy's gonna catch away.
You found it. Good job. Give me 5. We need to solve the mystery.
If we help
We need
Feather.
fun. The feather.
Feeder.
The feather.
The feeder.
No way bago. Find the feather.
So funny. So funny. So funny.
No way bago.
James, I'm gonna do the hint.
The clue is somewhere on this part of the
Like the
map.
feeder, find the feeder. Like the feeder, like the feeder. Like the feeder, like the feeder. Like the feeder, like the feeder. This side of the map.
The feather.
Feather, feather, feeder, feather, 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 feather. Excuse me.
You're really good at this.
Excuse me, I found it.
Feathers in their collar.
That means I can't play the game anymore.
You are on video. What did you just say?
I farted.
That is not nice. Say excuse me and go to the bathroom.